What's the meaning of checkout? Checkout. Checkout.
Check out. Check out. Checkout is a term commonly used in the context of retail or e-commerce. It refers to the process of completing a purchase, where a customer adds all desired items to their digital shopping cart and then proceeds to payment and shipment details. Once the checkout process is complete, the customer's payment is processed and the items are shipped to the specified address. The checkout process may also include options for applying discounts, entering coupon codes, or selecting preferred shipping methods. Overall, the checkout process is the final step in purchasing goods or services online.